In this video you will learn the various ways of calculating index number.
Example of index number.
Another example of index number. What is index number?
An index number expresses the relative change in price, quantity, or value compared to a base period. Why convert data to indexes? 1. An index is a convenient way to express a change in a diverse group of items. For example, Consumer Price Index, CPI, which comprises of many diverse goods and services, can be used to monitor inflation. 2. Converting data to indexes makes it easier to assess the trend in a series composed of exceptionally large numbers.
To calculate an index number, you need information on 1. The base period, which is the point of reference. 2. The current period, which is the point of interest.
The notation for base period, which is the point of reference, is 100. For example, if 2015 is chosen as the base period, the notation would be 2015 equals to 100. Or if July 15, 2015 is chosen as the base period, then the notation would be July 15, 2015 is equals to 100. There are two types of index number depending on how it is calculated. 1. Simple index number or unweighted index number, which assumes that all items are of equal importance. 2. Weighted index number, which takes into account the different weightage given to items. The types of unweighted index are: 4 price index, simple relative price index, average relative price index, simple aggregate price index, 4 quantity index, simple relative quantity index, average relative quantity index, simple aggregate quantity index.
We will now discuss on price index. Price index is measuring the relative change in price.
Example. We are going to calculate various types of price index from the given information. Notice that the base period is the year 2000. Example 1. Calculate the simple relative price index for the year 2003. Here, the calculation of index is on every items. For item A, the simple relative price index, I, is equal to 1.7 divided by 1 multiply by 100, which is equal to 170. Interpret. Price for item A has increased by 70% in 2003 as compared to 2000. For item B, the simple relative price index, I, is equal to 1.50 divided by 2 multiply by 100, which is equal to 75. Interpret. Price for item B has decreased by 25% in 2003 as compared to 2000.
For item C, the simple relative price index, I, is equal to 4 divided by 3 multiply by 100, which is equal to 133.33. Interpret. Price for item C has increased by 33.33% in 2003 as compared to 2000.
Example 2. Calculate the average relative price index for the year 2003.
Previously we have simple relative price index for item A equals to 170. Simple relative price index for item B equals to 75. Simple relative price index for item C equals to 133.33.
So the average relative price index, I, is equal to 170 plus 75 plus 133.33 divided by 3, which is equal to 126.11. Interpret. On the average, the price has increased by 26.11% in 2003 as compared to 2000.
Example 3. Calculate the simple aggregate price index for the year 2003. For this index, we first total up the prices for all items in both years. The sum of prices for the year of 2003 is 7.20. It is denoted by sigma pt.
The sum of prices for the year of 2000 is 6. It is denoted by sigma p naught. The simple aggregate price index for the year of 2003 is 7.2 divided by 6 multiplied by 100 equals to 120. Interpret. The total price has increased by 20% in 2003 as compared to 2000.
Quantity index. Quantity index is measuring the relative change in quantity.
Example 4. Calculate the simple relative quantity index for the year 2005. Get the relevant information. For item A, the simple relative quantity index for the year 2005 is 30/10 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 300. Interpret. Quantity for item A has increased by 200% in 2005 as compared to 2000.
For item B, the simple relative quantity index for the year 2005 is 40/30 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 133.33. Interpret. Quantity for item B has increased by 33.33% in 2005 as compared to 2000.
For item C, the simple relative quantity index for the year 2005 is 20/10 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 200. Interpret. Quantity for item C has increased by 100% in 2005 as compared to 2000.
Example 5. Calculate the average relative quantity index for the year 2005. The average relative quantity index for the year 2005 I is equal to 300 plus 133.33 plus 200 divided by 3, which is equal to 211.11. Interpret. On the average, the quantity has increased by 111.11% in 2005 as compared to 2000.
Example 6. Calculate the simple aggregate quantity index for the year 2005. Get the relevant information. For the year of 2005, sigma qt is equals to 90. For the year of 2000, sigma q naught is equals to 50.
The simple aggregate quantity index for the year 2005 is equal to 90/50 times 100, which is equals to 180. Interpret. The total quantity has increased by 80% in 2005 as compared to 2000.
Thank you for watching.